So, Ms. Delosy, you were previously in court and then tested positive for benzodiazepines and opiates. I raised your bond, and then you made that bond. Is that correct?
And right out the gate, the judge is done playing games. Watch closely, her tone tells you she already knows this case is going to be one of those. Keep your eyes on her questions, they're surgical.
Again, so when did you get out of jail?
The same day, but it's like 10 o'clock at night.
Okay. So how did you pay that bond?
My daughter did.
Okay.
My daughter did.
Right. So, okay.
And I'm hiring Kelly Lane.
You are?
To be my lawyer, yes.
Quick legal checkpoint. When a defendant bonds out the same day, especially late at night, judges automatically raise an eyebrow. Why? Because it usually means someone scrambled fast, and fast bonds often lead to even faster consequences.
Okay. When I did everything you told me.
When are you going to be able to get him hired?
He's going to be hired. I'm bringing him his money when I get paid on the 3rd.
On the 3rd of May?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what I'm going to do then, Ms. Delosy, is reset your case for about 30 days. That should give you more than enough time to get him hired.
Yes.
If you get him hired, bring the reset notice that you get today to him. He'll tell you what you need to do. If for some reason you cannot hire him, then I am ordering you to visit with other attorneys to see if you can try to hire someone, and then we'll see what your options are. Make sure you bring the information about who you've talked.
This is classic courtroom budgeting. Defendants often promise to hire the lawyer next paycheck, but judges know that delays in retaining counsel can derail the entire case. That's why the judge resets 30 days. She's basically saying, clock's ticking. This is on you now.
When you come back, so that I know you're trying if it doesn't work out with Mr. Blank, okay?
Yeah.
Step in front of the clerk. She'll give you a reset notice. Ashton Jameson. What?
Also, we have all my medical.
Are you under a doctor's care right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Who's your doctor?
I know her name because she's new, but I go to Rice Clinic on to Lake.
And now, a hard cut to the next case, and you can already feel the energy shift. If the last defendant was confusing the judge, this one is about to take her patience for a stress test.
So this is through December of 22. What about?
My prescriptions.
You still have valid prescriptions for all of these? Okay, so this is from December of 22. Do you have anything that's recent?
I went to my pharmacy and I told them that I needed to all of my prescriptions from the beginning.
So they gave you a printout from January of 2022 to December of 2022. So it's just all of last year. So I need.
They didn't give me the one for this year.
No.
Okay, I'm gonna have to go back and explain to you I need the one, my printout of my prescription that I did now recently. Yes.
What are you being treated for? What are you being treated for?
Bipolar, schizophrenia, manic depression, and anxiety and insomnia, because I have a lot of conflict. And I have 2 buttons discs
Mm-hmm.
in my back. And I have 3 in my foot. I have pinched nerves and torn ligaments in my foot because I had fell down my daughter's stairs helping her, and I have all my medical records showing that.
So here's my,
If you don't mind,
no, just hang on a second. Let me just explain what my concern is. Did you drive here? How did you get here today?
my cousin.
Do you drive?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The problem is even if you have all of these prescriptions, the concern is that you seem to be under the influence to a point that makes me concerned about you possibly driving. So if you have prescriptions,
When I have to go take care of my business, I don't take my medication because I have to drive to go take care of my business. When I get finished taking care of my business and I get home, and knowing that the ones that makes me drowsy, groggy and stuff, I take that when I'm at home and I'm not going nowhere. And I'm like a hermit. I don't leave my home. And I do have a condition that are stressed out. My blood pressure drops. And I pass out. And that's what happened last time when I was in court. I did.
At this point, the judge is doing what judges rarely say out loud, a sobriety assessment in real time. Even with prescriptions, appearing impaired in court is a massive red flag. When a judge starts asking how you got here today, yeah, things are headed in a very specific direction.
Because someone had drugged me. And that's why I had this, because my doctor knows I don't do drugs. I only take my prescriptions. And it was MDMA that was switched on me.
When?
Those medical records, that's why the doctor gave me this right here.
Let me see what you're talking
And
about.
I don't know how long she had been doing that to me.
Who do you think was
My daddy's first wife, because she felt like my daddy my mom took her husband, and she just been mistreating all of his kids with my mom. And I have a big heart. I was there for her because my sister, her daughter died, which was my sister. I was there for her.
So this is a test that you took, a drug test back in October of last year. Okay. Well, I don't understand. Okay. Well, I mean, again, the concern is that you're testing positive for, even if it's prescribed, hydrocodone, morphine, norhydrocodone, I mean, this isn't just one type of pain pill. There's obviously an issue going on here that is not necessarily related to coding. Well, none of these are MDMA. This is all the stuff that you're prescribed that you have on this list. It's just so much that doesn't make, I mean, I'm just concerned. So here's what, well, hang on. I'm going to make a condition of your bond, Ms. Delosy, that you are not to drive, period, ever. Because at this point, I have enough concerns, even though this isn't your case isn't necessarily related to driving, based on you being here, what I'm looking at here, what you're obviously to me seem under the influence, whether it's prescribed or not, you are not allowed to drive ever. Do you understand? So I need you to get Mr. Lane hired, and then we'll see where we get on that next court date. All right, do you step in front of the clerk? She'll give you a reset notice.
I got it.
Oh, okay. All right.